In a forgotten forest, a group of scientists worked tirelessly to restore habitats for endangered species. As they planted trees and cleared debris, they noticed strange symbols carved into the bark. Local legends spoke of a mystical creature that protected the forest, ensuring its balance. One night, a storm hit, and the symbols began to glow. The next morning, the forest was teeming with life, with species thought extinct reappearing. The scientists realized the creature was real, and their efforts had awakened it. The forest thrived, a testament to the power of nature. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.